How to add widgets from Widgetsmith. If you want to add a widget from Widgetsmith, it is very simple to do so. Whether it is Android or iPhone, first of all, make sure you've downloaded the Widgetsmith application to your device. Now here it will ask you to configure different type of widgets. So there is small widget, there is the medium widget, and there is also the large and other widgets as such. So let's say it's a small widget, just tap on add a small widget option there, and there you can see different option. I will select, let's say, photo collection. I'll tap on the photo icon right there to choose what kind of photo that I want, and I can choose different type of collections and themes. Then I can just go ahead and select that, and then what you have to do is tap the save button right there, and once you tap on save, you've successfully added the widget. Now we can simply go ahead and then simply add this widget to our home screen. If we go to our home screen like this, long press on an empty space, tap the edit icon from the top left, then go to the option that says edit. And from there, you have to scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you find the option Widgetsmith. And there you can simply choose the widget that you configured and then drag it on to your home screen just like this. So let me just try that. And there you can just drag the home screen. If you want to configure even more options, you can long press on it and choose the option called Edit Widget, where you can choose what kind of widget you wish to add. So I can do that. And once I've done that, I'll be able to configure that widget. So I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.